Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on cancelling your Netflix subscription. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Load Netflix and sign in to your profile. Hover over your profile image at the top right of the screen and then select Account from the drop-down list. Right here is a button called Cancel Membership. Click that. Confirm that you want to cancel. If you wish, you can leave a reason for why you are cancelling, or you can just skip it. Your Netflix subscription has now been cancelled. You will be able to continue watching until the end of the current billing period. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.